Hey, hello everybody, this is Steve from OpenBOM. Today's video we're going to go from the beginning to the end of OpenBOM for Autodesk Inventor. I'm going to take you through just how to get started, and in the end we're going to end up with a bill of material. So this video might be a few minutes longer than usual, but I want to make sure we cover all the details. So I have Inventor installed. I'm going to go to OpenBOM. I've gone to OpenBOM and I've created an account and signed in. I also visited the OpenBOM pricing page and I upgraded my account to professional user. At least a professional user license is required in order to run the integration. So run the Inventor integration. So I've done that. And I've come back here, I've clicked on the integrations and I've downloaded the Autodesk Inventor installation package and installed it and started Inventor, and I will get a OpenBOM menu in Inventor that looks like this here. I visited the settings area and I provided my credentials and my password and I signed in. I've set this to multi-level. There's some other settings that are available that we're not going to dive into now as we're getting started, but go ahead and sign in, provide your credentials. So that gets us all connected up to OpenBOM, and we're going to use this button right here, which is Create, Update a Bill of Material. So before I do that, I want to show you where the information is in Inventor that will be brought into OpenBOM, and that's done through the Inventor Bill of Material button here. So when I first open Inventor and I open in a new design, it's always going to look something like this, kind of blank. So I want to start off with structure, then do a right mouse on structure and say enabled structured view. Okay, and that'll let me do some things about it. I can either view it as structured, or it'll let me, I can do the same thing here and enable parts view. And then I'll see that these properties across the top are what we will bring to OpenBOM. There might be a few other things that I might want to add there, so let's just go ahead and do that. A little icon up here, choose columns, and I'm going to go ahead and add, just for fun here, I'm going to add a revision, maybe status, and engineer. Okay. So there's a, looks like I might already have that. There we go, engineer. So the information will only come from Inventor to OpenBOM if there is at least one part that has at least some information in there. So if you have a blank column here, that column won't come over. I'll go ahead and just sort of set some data up here. We'll say that this one here is work in progress, and likewise with a few of these. And, of course, you can see it. You can fill these out. We'll set this to revision B. Okay, so that's how we sort of set up our the template, if you will. The information is going to come from Inventor over to OpenBOM. I click on Done, and we'll go back to our OpenBOM view, and let's build a bill of material. So, excuse me, since we specified multi-level, OpenBOM is working with Inventor to get the structure, the parts, and all that metadata and bring it into OpenBOM. And here it is. Okay, and we see we have our plus signs here that show us the various parts and sub levels to the stapler. And we've got revision and other information that we brought over from Inventor. Okay, it's just that quick. We're a few minutes in. We've already got a bill of material in OpenBOM. And lastly, I'd like to show you how you can share this with your team members. There's two ways we can do this. One is just to go ahead and share this very Google-esque. You can share that with someone in my group, either as read-only or with edit. I'm going to share with them. And then this person will get a notice, and they'll be able to open this bill of material in OpenBOM. And the second way, of course, is to use this export command, and I can export as Excel or PDF or CSV, and I can just go ahead and write all this information out to an Excel file. And so indicate where I want to save it. So if I want to send that down to my ERP system or share with some of the colleagues that are still on Excel, I can do that. So let's recap. What did we do? we went to OpenBOM and we signed up, and we created an account. We made sure that our account was a professional level or above, and I can check that in my user profile. I see that I'm a professional user. And then we visited the integrations area, and we downloaded the integration that we were interested in this case, Autodesk Inventor. We downloaded and installed that in Inventor. We saw that we got a menu area in Inventor that looks like this. We visited the settings, and we signed in with the credentials that we used to create that account. The username and password are all that is required. We took a little detour in Inventor and added a few extra things to our bill of material as property column headers. And then we use the Create Update Bill of Material button right here to export that BOM to OpenBOM. So anyway, I hope everyone found that helpful. We, of course, always appreciate your feedback at support@openbom.com.